Alright, here we are. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do some extreme desoldering with a torch. We got our butane torch here. Go ahead and give this a light. As you can see, I am wearing nice leather gloves. Here's the circuit board we're going to be working with. Lots of nice capacitors that we can desolder from here. So what we want to do, focus on a little area of capacitors and start heating up the board and get those solder leads good and hot. And as we see things blacken and stuff start to melt, they start to almost automatically fall out. We'll tap and we get components popping out. As you see, we've already got a couple of capacitors out of the way there. We just keep going around, heating it up, and tapping as we go. Try not to cause any fires. Wearing proper eye and face protection, because larger soldered objects can cause a fizzle and a pop, and we can get solder going everywhere. You don't want that in your eyes or in your face. Alright, get things a little hot here. Set that down. As you can see, I have a fire extinguisher on hand in case of a fire. And for any pesky components that we might have trouble with, we got a pair of pliers to help remove the pieces. And that's pretty much all there is to it.